So quite a few changes since last time. As you can see, we've changed some of the colours, we've made these smaller, we've got a countdown timer in the middle. 180 is too long, that's just the picture that's up there at the moment. If we go to the game manager, we can see that the time's actually 120, but I'm going to put it down to 10 just to show this a mechanic off quite quickly. The NPC is currently separate from the controls, which is nice. It's relatively new that I found that. I feel fairly silly because that's one of the first things I programmed, but didn't realize that's actually how it worked. As you can see, I'm up here with high energy. Um, burn a little energy to. There's a power button, but yeah, as we're in negative time, we start losing energy and even slow down around the outside. And my energy can go back up because we've stopped the game's over. But yeah, you now run out of energy if we run out of time. That's one of the things that we've done. 20, put that back. You can lovely. I love it when these things take forever while I'm trying to record. If the NPC has low health, or if I have low health even, I'm down to 50. That's the starting health. That's going to cause some problems. Don't do that. 50. As you can see, he's low on health. If I get a good smash attack in, he'll out, and then that's a winner. Similarly, oh geez, every time. Similarly, if you just run yourself out of the arena, that's a winner. I did that on purpose, by the way. You probably won't. You can do that accidentally, and I have, but. And finally, if I reduce his health again, down to 50, you can see me chip it down, and he won't fall out of the arena like this, but he'll lose due to being out. Right, so we got our win conditions built in. They're not as fancy as they could be. I've got a lot of things of polish to do on this thing. What else do we want to show you? Defending and all this. At the moment, he's currently just hands-off control because he's not programmed to have any controls. I'm thinking that setting this up to be two-player will be fairly easy, or at least two-player on the same system. But there he is. He's now wandering around the middle. We can set him up to be defending, which will make him take position in the middle and make him move less when I attack him. Not none, but less. Especially if I'm riding up against him, because technically I move myself and he doesn't get any impulse equations. But if he takes an impulse equation, he doesn't move very far. Similarly with power defending, we've got to be quick about power defending because he's going to run out of energy, but he won't move at all. No, I've lied to you. I'm sorry. I'll turn that off. But he moves much less when power defending. I might need to tweak that because I want him to move even less than that. And counter-attacking, if you notice my health bar, so this is done when you time a defense with when the attack lands. The more defensive power you have, so if you're a 3-star defense, you have 0.3 seconds. If you have 1 star, you have 1 second. Can you guess how 0.1 seconds? Can you guess how many 2-stars have? It gives you big counter attack windows, which is great. They put a large impulse on, but again, I'm quite high health. If I reduce my health though to 50, I think I can impulse myself out. I haven't tried this yet, so this would be interesting. No, that's a disappointment. Is that because I changed my max HP, didn't I? Stop doing this. It's 1,000 here. It's don't kill myself. It's 500 here. And now I need some energy before we run out of time, so I can show you this one last thing. I should be able to knock myself out. No, I didn't. Okay, I need to change that. But that's interesting. Oh, I won briefly. That was close. Too close for comfort. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, please like, subscribe. I will show you code if you ask for it. I'm not against sharing this. yeah, do the thing.